Byemuno humulikito Brighton makoli numulikito bene hasoroboti rwa senchira yobuye kiranu nyirabono ikamati ya serikali ya mangana yobolendi IGLTS ligono litukali ya lero banyara kobeko omuyega bene boko mwakarambiya omuwaziri we serikali chege nka Eugene Wamalwa asobokorria aberega kurwago chi access serikali nabone chi county chinga kichi Wamalwa ni ganyara kobolia bakenya bonsi kone kibuna ngochora barabara ibale na morro ilikonyara gwikirania magendero. We are
looking forward to IGLTC being a full independent commission, because as we go forward, even as we have more resources, because I believe in the next dispensation we'll have more resources going to the counties, and we should have more powers going to IGLTC, so that you play a bigger role in ensuring that devolution works for this country. Therefore, you have a huge responsibility, even as we move forward, even as we elect our leaders next week on Tuesday. You are Kenyans, please make wise choices.
I believe we've laid the foundation, we've charted a roadmap, and we believe that now as we start the next 10 years of devolution, we will be looking at building on the successes of the first era, which is the last 10 years. We will be also